si Zara Larsson, si Sabrina Carpenter, and si Charlie XCX ang proof na you need to trust your timing. I'm so proud of them, te, as someone na parang medyo OG fan nila. Like parang kilala ko na sila before the spotlight, before pa sila nag-blow up. Like more than a decade na sila, te, sa industry. Like imagine, te, si Charlie XCX and si Zara Larsson, te, naging backup singer pa ni Dua Lipa, diba? So parang right now, parang they are one of the main pop girls. Diba parang nakaka-proud, and imagine, te, na parang during all of those years na parang nasa flop era sila, te, tapos nag-give up sila, hindi ma-recognize ng tao yung talent na meron sila, di ba? And same as you, te, if you are in a position right now na parang ginagawa mo naman lahat, like yung routines mo, te, na meet mo naman every single day, pero parang wala pang nangyayari. Like, wala ka pang nakikitang progress. Girl, keep going. Keep going talaga, te. I'm also saying this to myself na parang yeah, parang I'm in my flop era, tap. I keep going, I keep on posting, I still show up. You need to show up no matter what happened, te, kasi parang it builds a character in you. Also, te, it reveals kung gaano ka sa seryoso sa work mo. And throughout those flop era, te, marami kang na-discover sa sarili mo. And it's a journey talaga, te, to become the greatest. You know what I mean? Even other pop stars, even other successful person in the industry, di ba? Parang it takes time to really practice yourself and to build the highest, most ideal, most successful version of yourself. So, this is your sign that to keep going. Maybe there are some lessons na kailangan nating matutunan, or maybe this time is about learning how to be patient. Sabi nga nila, te, di ba? If ever na parang nakikita mo na lahat naging successful na, that's the biggest sign, te, na ikaw naman yung sunod. Kasi kumbaga si universe, fina-familiarize niya na sa'yo kung ano yung, how it looks like to be a successful person. It's okay to feel jealous. It's okay to feel envious. Sometimes, take it as a lesson on how to improve ourselves, and also kung ano yung mga pwede pa nating i-enhance sa work na meron tayo. Or maybe itong version ng sarili natin is hindi pa handa dun sa mga bagay-bagay na gusto nating i-manifest. Your flops is part of your future slays. Keep going lang, te, and keep believing in you. Wag mong sukuan yung pangarap mo, te. Everything feels low right now, te, pero wag mong sukuan. Like, keep going, keep showing up. Because, te, you deserve kung ano yung mga gusto mong i-manifest, te. So, if hihinto ka, te, walang mangyayari, di ba? End of the story. Pero, keep going, te. Mali natin bukas, di ba? Just believe in miracles, te. Miracles do happen. So, yeah. That's all, and keep going.